compared to Sri Lanka. The tracks are really good for the batting. I feel that. So I don't know what are the conditions in the night time. So I feel this condition is really good for batting. Yeah. Yeah, we are good friends actually because we started together. I think she started 2008, I started 2009. So we are good friends. We talk about a lot of cricket and personal things as well. But yeah, as a cricketer, I know she's one of the best leaders because she's the girl who changed the Indian cricket because she lived World Cup. So as an Asian, I'm very proud of her and the way she handled the team, the way she played the cricket. Because I still remember she scored 171 against Australia in semi-final 2017. Unfortunately, India missed the final. But the same tournament I scored 178, so I know how she played the game, and especially I played with her in WBBL as well, with Melbourne Renegades and some leagues, and we share the same dressing room when we play in Supernovas before the IPL exhibition games. So I know how she handled the situations and how she managed the people in the dressing room. So she's one of the best leader I ever seen.
Shashni Gilwani is a young spinner. The first two matches did not really go according to plan. So what do you, as a captain and as someone who has faced ups and downs, go and speak to her? What do you actually tell her?
Actually, she's very young girl. Still, she's 16 years old. She have a lot of, she have big future, long future. So I told to her keep it simple because some of the Indian batters play a lot of cricket, domestic cricket and international cricket and the franchise cricket as well. So still she have that courage and I always, as a senior player, always told to her play your game and don't think too much because she's good. I know she's good. When she was playing under 19 level, she's so good. So still she needs some experience and in the middle, it's not easy when still she's very young. So I hope she will learn more things in last few games and she will do some better things in future for Sri Lanka.
Jabri, in first match, they chased you in 14 overs. Second match, they chased you in 11 overs. So does it feel that you have to your bowling to be improved this series?
Yeah, definitely we have to improve our bowling as well. But the thing is, when the deliveries come out, it's easy to bat compared to the first innings. But it's not an excuse for the bowlers. But yeah, they play really good according to their plans, and they execute their right plan, right time. And we need to get few wickets in power play and first 10 overs. Then we can put some pressure on their shoulders. Yeah. Yeah, definitely, because I played a couple of exhibition games before IPL. So I feel India have good talents. Now BCCI organized WPL. I think 3 WPL already finished. So I feel they improved a lot because of the WPL. And I feel India has good domestic structure compared to other countries. Like Australia have better structure and now India have better structure as well. So these are the things, that's why I feel India improved a lot, especially WPP and WPL. And I saw good young talents come to this setup. Sorry?
The young Indian spinners will definitely be better. So I will be able to work more on that, how to tackle these young Indian spinners.
Yeah, definitely. I saw one left arm spinner. She's very young. She's playing for under 19, so she's really good. So, but still she doesn't play WPL, but she's really good. I feel the selectors good selected right player for the national team because she doesn't play WPL. I'm surprised, but she's really good. So I feel she has got a future. So she's one of superstar in future.
Chamari, with the 3 games left, and there will be 2 more series that you guys are playing for flying to England. So, what are the specific plans, or what is the vision right now for the World Cup?
Actually, after 50 over World Cup, the selectors and the SLC decided to give opportunity for more youngsters. The new faces, I think 5, 6 new faces in my team now. So these opportunities, I think these opportunities are really important for the youngsters because I know they play a lot of domestic cricket in Sri Lanka and under 19 level cricket in Sri Lanka, but when they're coming to international cricket, it's different. So now that experience, we have two, 3 international tours before the World Cup. So still, I trust my youngsters, and we have good seniors. I think 5, 6 seniors rest in Sri Lanka. So yeah, we are our domestic T20 com also coming up on Jan. So I feel after Jan and another. So we have West Indies series and Bangladesh series. So we trying few things in those 2 tournaments as well. Then I feel we can build good team in T20 World Cup